Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Stylevana products to show you for March. Do you want to know what products I'm going to be using this month? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So again, March 2023 products are here. Stylevana did send me these for review. So thank you so much for sending me your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's going to be in here. Let's see what I'm going to be using. And I'm so excited. If you want to check out Stylevana, they will all be linked down below. They have one of the lowest thresholds when it comes to free shipping, and I do have my own code, which is INF10 SheCrafty, and that will get you anywhere from 10 to 15% off your entire purchase, which is absolutely amazing. And at least shopping with Stylevana, you can be rest assured that everything is going to be authentic. You're going to get your order, you're going to get it quickly, and nothing's going to be wrong. They do wrap everything 100% perfectly. Nothing's came damaged or anything like that. Let's go ahead and get all these products out so we can see what comes in this kit. And I'm so excited that they're doing this because this is a great way for you to get almost like a whole skincare regimen in a kit. So you're saving a whole lot of money versus buying them individually. So look at all these products. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, and I'm super excited about this. I think we got an eye cream last month, and I really do enjoy that one, and it's the same brand, so that's cool to see something else. This is Vitamin A, Vita A Youth Serum to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and discoloration. It's a 40 ml, and let's say how to use it. Directions: apply evenly to the face and gently pat for better absorption. All right, so just like any normal serum, there we go. That's what the packaging looks like. And then the inside, ooh, I like that package. I love teal. So anytime I see teal and then with black and white, I'm like, yes, please. And then it's just like that. So it's like a milky kind of consistency. Like it almost looks like a little, milky. But that is probably going to feel amazing. And with the vitamin A in there, I do see a lot of like vitamin C, not really A. So that is really neat. Now we have this, and I really do like this one. This one's the Onion New Pair Gel Cream. And I've got this a few times now. And the first time I was like, oh my gosh, is it going to smell like onion? No, it doesn't, especially for your face. That's amazing that it doesn't smell like onion. But this is what the packaging looks like. And when we get her out, there's that. It's a gel cream. It's very, very light, and it feels amazing on the face. So I'm so glad to see this one in this kit. So you have this guy. Now we have, ooh, and I see teal again. Oh, and this is a sunscreen. I always tell you guys how important it is to protect our skin from this horrible sun rays. Skin cancer is huge in my family, so I am all for protecting our skin. This is a water barrier sunscreen, SPF 50 plus, PA plus, and yeah. And I love how they're all like a nice little size to where you can just drop down anywhere and have with you at all times. Oh, look at that teal. That is so pretty. So there is that, and I absolutely love having these everywhere, in my car, outside in the garden. I have them in the garage. No matter where I am, I always have some type of a sunscreen somewhere because, again, I want to keep my skin looking nice. Now we have, and I love this brand. This is the Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil, unscented. This brand, like everything that I have used from them, I'm absolutely in love with. I don't recall getting a cleansing oil, so that is actually awesome. This is what it looks like. They always have like their ombre effect to their packaging. So pretty and super cute. So with the cleansing oil, it's like a cleansing balm. I use one or the other. I prefer the cleansing balm over the cleansing oil, but both of them do the same exact thing. So dry face, spritz a little on your fingers, rub it in, get a little warmth on your hands, rub it on. I only mainly rub it on here because that's pretty much where all my makeup is just on my eyes. But you can rub it all on your face and then rinse it off with warm water and it'll come off like, it's like gone. And then in the shower, I use an actual cleanser. So I double cleanse, but I always start with either a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil first. So again, I'm so excited to see this brand and I'm actually really excited to use that product because of that. Now we have is a Collagen Every Night Sleeping Pack from Farmstay. There's that. And this one here says, it contains hydrolyzed collagen to help refresh dry skin and get absorbed into skin quickly without stickiness to make brightening and wrinkle improvement. Take proper amount, then spread evenly on the face and neck before bed. Perfect. It does not say wash off in the morning. I'm really excited. I just can't stand the ones you have to wash off in the morning. I mean, nothing against the product. I personally just don't want to have to remember the next morning, did I put something on my face that I need to wash off? Because I take a shower at night and then I just do my normal routine. I go to bed, I wake up in the morning, I get ready for the day. I don't wash my face in the morning. So I don't want to have to try to sit there and remember what product did I use? What do I now need to do in the morning? No, I just want to get ready for work and that's all I want to worry about in the morning. So I love that this one is the night mask that you put on your face but you don't wash off. So I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited about that. All right, you guys, there's 2 items left in here. This here is a calming toner. And toners I use every single day. So I'm really glad to see this in here because again, it's like a whole skincare regimen. So this is the Heart Leaf Calming Toner, Skin Boosting. Looks like there's the ingredients right there. And on here it says, how to use. Apply an appropriate amount on the entire face in a gentle tapping motion to promote absorption into the skin. So very, very easy. Like I said, any toner. Once you have a nice clean face, put your toner on and then go with any normal skincare regimen that you want to do. Start with the ampule, the serum, a moisturizer, whatever your little heart desires. And now we have this, oh my gosh, I like when they send stuff like this because it's not just like 1 or 2 masks. There's a whole package of masks in here, you guys. And this one is heavy. There's probably more. I think the last one I got had 5. Let's see how many is in this one. It feels thick. It says Water Luminous SOS Ringer Mask. Moisture and Nutrition Duo. And holy moly, yeah, there's way more than 5 in here, you guys. Oh my goodness. There's 10 different masks in here, you guys. So just like any normal sheet mask, once your face is nice and clean, put this on your face 10 to 20 minutes, take it off, tap in anything that's still on, and you are good to go. I prefer to keep a few of these in my refrigerator, and when I want to put one on, I put it on and it feels so nice putting it on nice and cold. There's just something about a nice refrigerated cold face mask, putting it on my face. I absolutely love it. So again, I'm so glad that there are face masks, sheet masks, not ones that you have to wash off because I don't like those. And it's a whole package of 10 of them in here. And they look like they're going to be some really nice ones. So there's this big old package there. So that is everything that came in this kit, you guys. You have 10 face sheet masks. You have the Collagen Every Night Sleeping Mask. You have the toner. You have the cleansing oil, the sunscreen, the face cream, and the serum. All right, you guys, this is definitely an amazing kit. You pretty much have from cleansing to toning to moisturizing. You have everything in here. This is a really, really good kit. And you get to protect your skin too with that sunscreen. I love that they add one of those in these mixes because it's very important, I tell you. So now that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of Stylevana? What do you think of the products in this specific kit? What do you think of them doing these kits now every month to save you guys money? I am so ecstatic about it. When I found out that they were doing that at the end of December, starting for January, I was so excited for you guys, because before it was just products that they would send and you would have to go and just purchase them individually. But now they're doing these amazing kits to save you a lot of money. I just love Stylevana, you guys. So comment down below and let me know what you thought. Again, INF10 SheCrafty will get you that 10 to 15% off depending on what is accumulated in your cart at checkout. So that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.